Hello, lovely crafters. Welcome to my crochet tutorial where we'll be making a stylish coaster perfect for protecting your tables while adding a personal, handmade flair to your space. No matter your skill level, I'm here to guide you every step of the way, and I know you'll do wonderfully. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Let's pick up our hooks and yarn and get started. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Work 12 sets of a double crochet followed by a chain, 1 into the ring, then pull it tight and slip stitch to close. You're off to an awesome start. That center looks so neat. Tip: practice your magic ring beforehand if it's new to you. It's worth it. Next, round 2. In each chain 1 space from the previous round, work 2 double crochets, then chain 1. Repeat this 12 times around. Great job, you're building it up so nicely. Tip: keep your stitches snug but not too tight for an even circle. For round 3, let's add some height. In each chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets followed by a chain 2. Repeat this 12 times. You're doing fantastic. It's starting to look like a coaster. Tip: check your stitch count after this round to stay on track. On to round 4. In each chain 2 space, work a double crochet, chain 3, then another double crochet. Repeat this 12 times around. You're halfway there. This is looking so pretty already. Tip: relax your hands to keep those chain 3 spaces consistent. For round 5, we're switching gears. In each chain 3 space, do a single crochet followed by 6 double crochets. Repeat this 12 times. Amazing work, you're bringing this coaster to life. Tip: fan out the 6 double crochets evenly for a smooth curve. Finally, round 6. In each space, work a single crochet, chain 3, then another single crochet. Repeat that 6 times per section, then finish with 1 more single crochet. Do this 12 times around. You've nailed it. What a gorgeous coaster. Tip: keep your chains loose for a delicate, lacy edge. And that's it. Your stunning crochet coaster is finished. I'm so proud of you for crocheting along with me. If you had fun, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. I'd love to see your coasters, so share them in the comments. Happy crafting, everyone.